Good morning from central Lisbon. This morning we are taking a walking tour of the old city, and this one includes food and beverages, so we're really looking forward to it. So this is our first stop. It's a little local neighborhood grocery, and I think she said we're trying cod here. What do you think of the marmalade and the cheese? They were both good.
This one is a
So now we've entered the Moraria, which is a very old section of Portugal. So you can definitely see that we're in an older part now. And we're headed towards a little cafe where we're going to have coffee and pastry. This is the little square where we're going to have our next tasting. So this is a Pastel de Nata, which is a white bean tart, and this is the Pastel de Nata, which is the custard tart that Lisbon is known for. So now we're going into an old building that was once an orphanage. Beautiful little courtyard. Probably wasn't a very happy place though. So we're at this little rooftop bar right behind the Carmelite convent ruins, and we're gonna have a little something to drink. Now we're boarding a ferry to go across the river to a little fishing village where we're gonna have our last tasting. And this is where Mark's going to get all of mine because it's going to be all seafood. Are you looking forward to the seafood?
Absolutely.
Huh?
Absolutely.
So we're having lupin beans.
Oh, okay.
We don't know what the translation is. Cod cakes, shrimp cakes, and shrimp. And green wine, which is wine made from the immature grape. How's the wine? All right. Mark's gonna show us how to eat shrimp.